Want to change the voice of Siri on your iPhone? I'm Jessica from TechBoomers.com, and in this video, I'll be showing you how to change the Siri voice on iPhone. Now let's get started. To change the voice of Siri on your iPhone, open your settings. Scroll down and select Siri and Search. Then tap Siri Voice. Now you can select a variety and voice you want Siri to use. Varieties feature different accents or dialects. Each variety will have different voices to choose from. Tap a voice to hear a preview of what it sounds like.
Hi, I'm Siri. Choose the voice you'd like me to use.
When you find one you like, leave it selected to set your Siri voice to that option. When you're done, go ahead and activate Siri to test it out. That's all it takes to change Siri's voice on iPhone. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, we'd love it if you'd hit the thumbs up button below and subscribe to our channel. We put out great new tech tutorials like this one every week.